Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to glitch into the shooting range / lobby with still having weapons from around. You're going to want to get a private server in Rivals, then once you spawn in, you're going to want to go behind you to the shooting range and then go to the private server modifier area. Once you're in a game, go over to the server modifier area and make sure you have use lock weapons on. Then just make your way over to the 1v1 area. Then you're going to want to edit using the QPAT modifier. And then make sure you have play any map, unlimited time, and play solo on. Then go into a game and then just make sure you click Legacy Onyx. Just went back, Legacy Onyx. Okay, then you're going to want to equip 3 scythes and a warp stone. Once you have that, you're just going to want to go over to the other side of the map, which just takes a bit of time. I'm just experimenting with the scythe quick melee for some reason, don't know why. Then once I actually do try to make it now, which I will be now, you're going to want to just use your warp stone to throw it all the way over there, just to glitch outside. Then you're just going to want to scythe all the way off the map. Then you just keep scything. Quite simple. I'm going to be going into the shooting range, but you can also do this with the lobby. It just takes a bit longer. I just wasn't able to do it in the lobby in all of my previous attempts, which there were a lot. I'll just be silent. Forgot to mention, there is a death box around it. That's why you need to use the warp stone to teleport when you get near. I'll show you that once I get to the death box. Seem to be approaching the shooting range, so I'm just going to warp stone and yeah, that should hopefully work. Let's see. No, sadly. Oh wait, oops, I just went into Windows mode. Let me just go back in. Okay, I'll just be silent again. We're getting close to the shooting range again, so I'm just going to walk in and go for it. Now I just go up just to avoid the death barrier, and we made it. It looks very bright. Don't know why this is so bright. Everyone is just going to be in the shooting range as a witness. Also, why can't I damage? You can't damage anyone, sadly. It's like they're invincible. Once Ariana comes, she can show you. Okay, Ariana's here. She should be able to see my scythe, I'm not entirely sure. I can't see her weapons though, for some reason. Okay, now we're just doing a bit of talking. Oh, she's talking, not me. Okay, we're just standing here. Can't leave. Now everyone's asking why she can't get me. I'm just saying that she doesn't have anything equipped. Okay, I'm just trying to see if she can get a trowel to like help me glitch out of the map. So basically there's a way to glitch out of the shooting range by using a trowel then. Like troweling out of the map and then throwing a warp stone at the trowel. But let's just see if that works if Ariana does the trowel and I throw the warp stone. Just asking her to come to me. Yeah, I'm a bit sniffly. I've had quite a bit of a cold, even though it's getting quite warm out. Okay, Ariana's here. Now she just needs to place trowel in void. Oh, yeah, place a trowel in the void. Hopefully that will work. Let's just see if it does. And when she does, let's see. Can we even see the trowel wall? Let's hope. Okay, at least we can see the trowel wall, but can I walk on it? No. Okay, well, at least you can glitch into the shooting range, and you can glitch into the lobby, but it's a lot harder just to actually get over to the lobby. If you're trying to glitch into the lobby, I advise using 3 flamethrowers and a warp stone instead of 3 scythes, just because flamethrower gives you the air blast. No, I'm honestly just testing random stuff. I don't know. I'm actually just doing random. Oh wait, why is it? That's just a random thing, probably. Okay. Yeah, I'm just glad that you could just get into here in the first place. So, oh. Now I'm kind of just chilling. I'm gonna try a few more experiments, or at least just. If I notice anything. I also have a bit of a cough. Wait, I can see the map from here. I wonder if Ariana can see it. Oh, I just went into Windows again. Just waiting for Ariana to come up. I wonder if she can see it. She probably won't, but maybe she can. Don't think she does. I'm not entirely sure. I just want to quickly note that I'm free to play in Rivals, just in case you're wondering. Honestly, that basically just wraps up today's video. I don't know why, but now for my outro, I'm literally just going to do my intro but reversed. It might sound a bit weird.